Physio TrueUp is a feature that lets you switch between compatible devices while keeping the following data in sync. It quickly lets you view your fitness level. We will be using two different devices that support Physio TrueUp to demonstrate this feature. You may visit Garmin Support Center to check if your devices support this feature or not. The training data on the left device will sync to the right device without any training data. First, pair both devices with Garmin Connect app on your phone. Open the app from the smartphone. Select More. Select Garmin devices. Select your device. Select General. Toggle Physio TrueUp feature. Apply the same steps to another device. Sync both devices. Now you may easily view the same data on both devices. Garmin also supports a similar feature just like Physio TrueUp. That is TrueUp. TrueUp syncs steps, calories, floor climb, intensity minute, and walk distance. Physio TrueUp syncs data like training status, VO2 max, recovery time, training load, rest predictor, and more. This way helps you to decide what data you want to sync based on your exercise types. Thank you for watching.